how to fix YouTube Recap not showing up on the YouTube app. So what we can do, there's two things we can do. So go ahead to the App Store. If you're on a Google or an iPhone, it's the same thing. Go to your own Play Store or App Store. So what we can do is go to the App Store here. And what you want to do is update YouTube. A lot of times YouTube will not automatically update your current app. So many times you'll have to update the YouTube app to get all of the newest features. What you can do is also go ahead and delete and reinstall the app. And if that still does not work for you, what you can do is go to a browser. So I'm just going to go to my Google Chrome here, and you want to go ahead and type in youtube.com/recap. Go ahead and let that load up. Go ahead and log into your account, and that should trigger in itself to have your recap on the YouTube app. So you don't even need to go through this. You can go ahead and go back into your YouTube and then go to the U section at the bottom right hand corner, and it should appear there on the app itself. So go ahead and update the app if you don't have the newest version, and then delete and reinstall the app.